You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. It looks a little bit confusing, but it's actually easy once you know. Let's hear it. Cael. Cael. That's generally how it's pronounced in English. Now, some languages or countries or origins may pronounce it also as Cael. Cael. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.